If you clicked on this video, you just took a cold ass shower. Not a good feeling, was it? Does the pilot light shuts off and not keeping your water hot? Well, I'm going to show you a way where you can save yourself a couple of $100 just by simply doing some maintenance. All you need is just some tools. We're going to need a socket, a 10mm socket, an extension, 3/8, 7/16, and your ratchet. These are the tools that you'll be needing for this project. One other tool that you guys will be needing, it's either a knife or a flathead screwdriver, and this is to pry out the assembly cover from your water heater. First, we're going to start off by removing the safety cover, the external cover, and we will be removing these side screws, as you can see here, and another screw right there. We'll be removing these, that, and this one. Also, the igniter for the pilot. First of all, make sure everything is off. Your gas line is off. Might want to let your water heater cool down for maybe 30 minutes to an hour, depending if you had it running, trying to get your warm water, because it'll be very hot inside. You don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so we'll be removing the first one. Just pop them right out, put them on the side. Get your pliers. Shouldn't be on there that tight. As soon as you get it loose enough, you can go ahead and unthread it with your hands. Pull that out. Pull that out. Move it to the side. There we go. Go. Next step is you want to remove that whole casing. Might need some assistance with your either pliers or a screwdriver. A screwdriver or a knife, which I'm using a knife. lift this a little so it'll come off of the housing. I will show you in a minute. Pull it right out. But before that, we want to take the igniter out, or else it'll be in the way. You can do that by slipping your knife or pliers on the side, pry it, comes right off. So pull it out. And this is our setup here. Okay, there it is. What we are fixing is that right there. It is a sensor for your flame. If it's not cleaned, your sensor will be telling the system that there is no flame, and it'll shut off. It'll stop the gas from flow, preventing from explosions or anything, or leaking gas, depending on the type of model of your water heater, which is a cool feature. So let's get this clean. So what you would want to use is either sandpaper, a wire brush. I'm using this, what I had available. So basically just clean it off and make it look shiny. Okay guys, so here is the final cleaning. So as you can see, it is clean. There you go. So as I said, this is what it looks like inside. And you don't want to stick your hand in there when it's hot. Alright guys, so we will be inserting the burner back in. Make sure you aligned everything back into place with the side screws. And you guys should be able to install this with your eyes closed if you guys are that good. There it is. So you can see it's already inserted into the slot. Let me, there we go. You see, it's already inserted. I'm gonna move it, see if you guys can able to tell. See that? It needs to be sit on that hinge to be locked in place. Okay, next we will be putting everything back in place. Okay, so Last one. There we go. Set your pilot back up. Put it back in place. Clip it on. I think it'll be easier if we get the middle part in first. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Nice and tight, guys. Nice and tight. The thread back in there. I carry all my keys. Go. Okay. Next, we will be putting everything back in place. Okay. So go. Last one. There we go. Set your pilot back up. Put it back in place. Clip it on. I think it'll be easier if we get the middle part in first. Excuse me, guys. Thank you. Nice and tight, guys. Nice and tight. The thread back in there. I carry all my keys. Go. Okay. Okay, next step. We want to turn on the pilot knob from off to pilot. Then we'd want to turn on your gas valve from the off to on position. Next, make sure you have your lighting control set to pilot lighting or to your low settings. So some knobs are different. This one I would have to push it down so it can release the gas, propane. Push this down and strike it. After it's been lit, then you would let this go and turn it fully to the on position, as you can see there. Okay, let's give it a try. And lights would be going off. Okay. Pushing the knob is on. See the flame. Yep, I see the flame. First strike. Hold the button let it go, and you can turn it on to the on position now. See, it's still lit. Okay. Turn it off. On. And then we would turn the pilot control from pilot lighting to low, and then set your temperatures. As soon as that happens, you will have your there you go. Give it a little test. As you can see, it is still on. Turn it on. Your heat. There you go. One more time. And there it is. Hope you guys can hear the noise as soon as it turns on. But that should fix your burner from shutting off. Clean it, and you shouldn't have to clean it for another 6 to 8 months. Thank you for enjoying this video, and I will see you on the next one.